Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey that's not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious? Whole grains are the unsung heroes of the culinary world, and in this article, we'll explore the art of cooking with whole grains. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. Discover the captivating world of whole grains and the incredible nutrient-rich recipes they offer. 1. Whole grains unveiled. In the opening paragraph, we'll unveil the mystery of whole grains. What are they, and why are they such a nutritional powerhouse? This will pique the reader's interest in understanding the secrets of these grains. 2. Health benefits. Whole grains offer a plethora of health benefits. This paragraph will delve into how whole grains can help in weight management, reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes, and promote digestive health due to their high fiber content. 3. The variety of whole grains. Whole grains are not limited to just brown rice and whole wheat. This section will introduce readers to the diverse world of whole grains, from quinoa and farro to bulgur and barley. Each grain will be briefly explained, highlighting its unique qualities. 4. Whole grain cooking basics. Understanding the basics of cooking with whole grains is essential. This paragraph will discuss the importance of rinsing, soaking, and cooking times for different grains, ensuring readers have the necessary knowledge to prepare them correctly. 5. Whole grain breakfasts. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and whole grains can be incorporated into it in exciting ways. Describe recipes for whole grain breakfast bowls, muesli, or even a hearty oatmeal with diverse toppings. 6. Nutrient-rich lunches. Explore how whole grains can be the star of your lunch menu. Discuss recipes like quinoa salad, whole grain wraps, or a hearty grain bowl packed with colorful vegetables and lean proteins. 7. Dinner delights. Whole grains are versatile and can be featured in dinner recipes that range from pilafs to grain-based risottos. Explain how to prepare these dishes and offer a couple of recipes to get readers started. 8. Whole grains for dessert. Yes, whole grains can even be used in desserts. Highlight recipes like whole grain berry crisp or a chocolate quinoa cake that not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also provide essential nutrients. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the nutritional significance of whole grains but also feel inspired to experiment with a variety of nutrient-rich recipes. Cooking with whole grains is an adventure in the culinary world that offers both flavor and nourishment. It's a journey worth embarking on, not just for the taste buds but for the well-being of your entire body. So, let's dive into the captivating world of whole grains and savor the nutrient-rich recipes they have to offer. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.